Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Umair Qureshi, Scientific Tutor Academy owner, and here I am today in front of you to explain you the online registration process. Of course, the free registration for all tutors is available, and the process is totally online. In which you need to fill up the online membership form first, and here I'm going to send you let you know how to fill up the form and what are the main rules and regulations of academy, so that you don't have any sort of issue while dealing with this in future. So the link of the online membership form would be available in the YouTube video of our academy's registration form at the official YouTube channel, Scientific Tutors. So if you click at and this is available in the description, and if you click at this link, so you will be led towards a new tab, and the form will be opened in the new tab. So here it is, Scientific Tutor Academy annual membership form for online tutors all over the world and home tutors from all over Pakistan, right? So all the options with this star are required to be filled, and if you leave any of the option unfilled, so your form will not be submitted successfully. Well, so what are the main terms and conditions? You will have to read them carefully, please. So listen to them carefully here, so that you don't have any sort of issue while dealing with us in the future. By using the services, you are acknowledging and accepting our conditions. And what is the condition? The first one is that we take 30%, 50%, or 75% of the first month's fee from our tutors on all referred home tuitions as well as online tuitions. Of course, our service charges depending on the terms of the tuition continuation. If you pay annual membership fee rupees 1500 PKR to the academy, which is refundable, at which some conditions apply at the time of registration, then the service charges of the academy for all tuitions of duration more than 2 months will be only 50% of first month's fee. But if you don't want to pay any registration fee at the time of registration, then at the time of registration, academy charges will be 75% of first month's fee of the first tuition which we give you, right? In which 50% is a commission, as it was mentioned here above, and 25% additional will be taken from you on account of the registration fee, which you didn't pay at the time of registration, but you will pay only after getting the tuition. If the tuition duration is short term, like up to 2 months, then or even less, or terminated by the parents before completion of the 2 months, then the academy commission will be 30% of first month's fee for paid membership holders, or and 50% of first month's fee for free membership holders, like 30% commission and 20% additional on account of registration fee, which you if you didn't pay at the time of registration. If the tutor wants to leave the normal duration tuition at any stage, then at her own will, then the academic commission will not be reduced from 50% of first month's fee, right? Another option is that if you want to get only the online tuitions, then you will have to pay non-refundable registration fee rupees PKR 1500 at the time of registration, and academic commission will always be 75% of first month's fee. And if you want to teach only at your home, or parents want to send their kids at your home for teaching, then the academy charges will be 100% of first month's fee, right? So payment should be transferred within 24 hours after collecting the fee from the parents. And what is the minimum eligibility criteria for the tutors to get registered in my academy? For male tutors, it is being second year university undergrad student of at least some university, and must be possessing at least B grade in intermediate. However, the eligibility criteria for female tutor is being at least intermediate. Male tutors must own their own CNIC for Pakistani tutors only in order to get registered in my academy. You will have to share when I will ask you after assessing your form. Academy will not be liable for any confusion or inconvenience caused between the tutor and the parents, because of the tuitions are referred on the basis of the information received by the parents, right? So you'll have to assure, and then you will have to apply for the tuitions, whether you want to go there or not. And always accompany, if you are a lady tutor, so you should always accompany your parents or your elders or any of your guardian when you go for the first time at the client's house. Tuitions will be forwarded only according to the qualification, experience, preferred subjects, classes, targeted areas, through WhatsApp. By agreeing on terms of conditions, you allow us to send you the tuition ads, right? So these are some other terms and conditions, main terms and conditions I've told you. So you'll have to read all of them in order to get avoid any sort of issue in future. So after reading all the rules and regulations, So you will have to then fill up the online membership form. You can approach me. This is me, Muhammad Umair Qureshi. This is the link of my Facebook ID, and this is the link of my WhatsApp. I'm the owner, sole owner of this academy. There is no other person, there is no other branch of Scientific Tutor Academy at all, right? And this is the mobile number which I am not using nowadays, so do not approach me at this number. You can approach me at the number which I have written here above. So now here you have to fill up the online membership form. This is very easy and very user friendly. You can easily fill up the online membership form, and this is the link of our official YouTube channel, Scientific Tutors. You will have to subscribe this channel every time you fill up the form. If I click on this link, I will be redirected to this official YouTube channel, Scientific Tutors, which I have recently created. So you'll have to subscribe that, and then you'll have to share the snapshot of the subscription at my WhatsApp number, which I gave you above, right? So after filling up all these required informations, there is the oath, that rules and regulations of academy. I take the oath in the name of Almighty Allah. Tutors from religion other than Islam should consider their own God to take the oath honestly. That I have read, understood, and agreed to abide by all the rules and regulations of Scientific Tutor Academy, and that I will never violate any of its rules and will always remain loyal with its management. And then you'll have to click on that, and then you will submit that. So this is how you will have to submit the online membership form. Since I didn't fill any of the required options, so that's why my form is not successfully submitted. You can see here, this is the automatic question arrived that this is the required question. You'll have to respond. So this is how you can fill up the online membership form, and these are the salient rules and regulations of Scientific Tutor Academy. I hope that you have understood the rules, and I'll prefer you to read all the rules again whenever you are going to fill up the online membership form. If you have still have any sort of query, so you can ask me directly through WhatsApp. Thank you very much for giving your time.